Hey folks, Daniel here from Pro CNC, and welcome back to the Dominator build series. Today we've hit a huge milestone in the assembly. This is what I call our second level set checkpoint. If you've been building along at home, this is the perfect spot to stop, double check your work, and get ready for the next phase. In the last video, we laid out the mechanical foundation, the machine bed, Y-axis linear rails, ball screws, Y-plates, and if you purchased our legs kit, you should be standing solid. Now we're building up from there, and this is where it starts to look like a real CNC machine. As of page 30 in the manual, here's what you should have complete. The gantry extrusion is mounted. The gantry end plates are in. X-axis linear rails are loosely installed. The X ball screw is installed. X-carriage is attached. Y and X axis proximity switches are in place. And as a bonus, you might have jumped ahead like I did and added the under the gantry LED light strip. I mounted mine through the right side gantry plate. It's clean, hidden, and looks awesome. Now before you go further, this stage is all about test fitting and minor pre-wiring. So take a few minutes and double check the following. Ball screws should rotate smoothly by hand. Carriage plates should slide freely. Wiring should have room and no tight pinch points. LED and proximity switch wires should pass cleanly through the relevant plates. Also important, rear Y plates should be torqued down, while the front Y plates should still be loose. Gantry should rest level across both sides. This step ensures your gantry is aligned and ready before final tightening or motion testing. And from here, we're almost ready to move into the motion stage. Here's what's next in the manual. Z-carriage installation, cable chain setup, motion wiring prep and install. Each of these steps brings your machine closer to that first carve. And trust me, it's worth taking your time here. This level set is a big visual milestone. Your Dominator Pro is finally starting to look like a real machine. If you've hit this point, you're more than halfway through the physical build, and the hard part is mostly behind you. In the next video, we'll dive into the Z-carriage installation and move closer to motion. It's going to be fun and full of great little tips that'll make your life easier. Thanks for building with us, and as always, don't just own your CNC, dominate it.